Once upon a time in the little village of Willowbrook, there lived two best friends, Benny the bread and Charlie the cheese. Benny was round and fluffy, always cracking silly jokes, while Charlie was smooth and stretchy, known for his big cheesy grin. Every year, Willowbrook held a grand picnic contest, and the winner would get a golden picnic basket filled with sweets. Benny and Charlie really wanted to win this year. "We need a brilliant plan," said Benny, tossing crumbs in excitement. Charlie wiggled and stretched. "Let's team up. Bread and cheese make the best sandwich." So they got to work. Benny practiced his fluffiest flops, while Charlie worked on his stretchiest stretches. But when they tried to make a sandwich, well, things got messy. Benny kept rolling off the table, and Charlie kept sticking to everything: the spoon, the cat, even the mayor's hat. The villagers laughed and laughed. "They're never going to win," chuckled old Mrs. Mops. Benny and Charlie sat on a bench, feeling a little flat and a little sticky. "This is hopeless," sighed Benny. "Maybe we're trying too hard to be perfect," said Charlie. "Let's just be ourselves and stick together." At the contest, instead of a fancy sandwich, Benny and Charlie put on a silly show. Benny rolled across the table while Charlie flipped into the air and landed with a satisfying cheesy splash right on top of him. Together, they made the most hilarious, floppy, delicious sandwich the village had ever seen. The judges laughed so hard they nearly fell out of their chairs. "And the winner is Benny and Charlie," announced the mayor, who still had a bit of cheese stuck to his hat. From that day on, Benny and Charlie became Willowbrook's favorite team, not just because they were delicious, but because they showed that teamwork, laughter, and being yourself were the real recipe for success. Moral: teamwork and laughter make the best recipe for success, even if things get a little messy.